The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States law enforcement agencies and the CIA. All residents in the following realms should be alert and indoors. These realms include Realm 3, Realm 305, Realm 338, Realm 1197, Realm 3009, Realm 00. Should you live in these realms, be on the lookout for this man. At approximately 9:30 Anime Standard Time, conservative commentator and apparent transphobe of the year Matt Walsh escaped Realm 9.12. He is practicing his Second Amendment rights in public and is very dangerous. Should you see him at a makeshift desk and microphone, please evacuate the area immediately, because apparently that's enough for him to be considered transphobe of the year. Even though I put in more time, more money, and far more effort into it, I have done far worse. And all this cracker does is sit behind a desk and talk shit about trans people. That award should have been mine. Oh, look at me, I'm Matt Walsh. I'm just gonna sit on the desk and talk shit. I've done, I would have done a little worse. All the art, do you know how much gasoline costs? Do you know how much it costs to light a house on fire? Do you know how much time and effort it takes into beating up someone? It takes a lot of work. Literally, it's not easy. I can't just walk up someone and, I can take them down with no effort. No, I have to put I had to put my blood, sweat, and tears into this thing. Oh no, but because I could talk shit in front of a desk, that means I'm somehow a worse transphobe. No, it doesn't work like that. Another thing, do you know how difficult it is to organize these kinds of people into doing these group activities? It takes a lot of time and coordination. Literally, Matt does none of that. He just sits there on his ass and he gets views. That's it. That's all he does. He robbed me of this award. He robbed me of this fucking award. You know what? The only reason he won that award is because he's white, right? I won it more because I'm brown. Is that how it is? Fucking systemic racism robbing me of this award. They just handed him this award on a silver platter because of his white privilege, undermining the hard work that people of color put into competing for this award. It should have been me, not him. It's not fair.
It's Filthy Frank, motherfucker! It's Filthy Frank, bitch!
Let's get some pussy tonight.